Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be reviewing the MyBot robotic automatic pool cleaner for in-ground pools. We'll be right back. When you take it out of the box, this is how it looks. You got the protecting cardboard here, you have the float, all the necessary wiring, power supply for the device, programmable, and the actual pool cleaner itself. And it even comes with, looks to be, a holder. We did not open up the manual and take a look yet. This is literally, I just pulled it out of the box and we're gonna check it out now. This is the controller. So you have climb, every, cycle time, setup, change, and start and stop. The bottom of this is a heatsink. So it looks like it gets pretty warm. So let's get this thing in the water. I just want to show you real quick, this thing is a beast. If you're familiar with AquaBot and other aquatic type vacuums, this is pretty impressive. All right, so this thing is really simple to use. If you just twist this handle and this opens up, and there are the bins and all the garbage and debris go right inside here. So once you take this out, these things just come out real easy, and you can dump them out, clean them out with a hose, and put them right back in again. Like the AquaBot, unlike this, the AquaBot uses a cloth type of filtration system, which is much more difficult to reload and set up, which I have. And I think it's a piece of garbage because it keeps on breaking down. This, on the other hand, has a lifetime warranty. So this is the way to go. And I recommend this. We're going to give it a shot. I just got this, so this is brand new. I'm going to give it a shot and see how well it cleans. Change up. So we're just going to stick this baby right in the pool right now and let this get to work. Up the wall it goes. You remember all that stuff that was there? Wow, it's almost all gone. One sweep. Now this is literally brand new. I literally took it out of the box just a moment ago. Honey, look at that thing go up the wall. Like it was nothing. Oh, I see. So that, see how it changed direction pretty quickly? So let's probably climb every 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 120. So if you wanted to continue climbing on the wall, you can continue it. So we can hit stop, set up, and then you can change it. So we're going to change this to 60 seconds. So you can change. You can only change these options if you're in setup. So hit start up again, and we'll let this thing go. Hey, it's going. Wow, it's zipping along fast. Holy crap. I'm impressed at how fast that thing's zipping. Holy crap. All right, so I pulled this thing out. I'll let this thing do its thing. We're gonna open this baby up and take a look inside. Wow. That did pretty good. This looks pretty good. So we use a hose to clear this out. You simply just pull these babies out, clear this out. This is pretty impressive. Not much to it. I like. Very well made, and the pool is crystal clear. I'm very impressed with it. Okay, so we're in the morning. This is 4th of July actually, and we are finished with the MyBot. Thing is pretty much looking great. I'm happy with it. I mean, granted, we might have to do some tweaking with the machine and whatnot, because we literally just got it and I threw it right in. So I can't really complain. It did what it's supposed to do. I could let it run a little longer and clean up some more, but I'm happy with it. I'm probably going to give it the 5-star Joe Tech Tips rating, not instant awesome. because it did miss some stuff, but it did work. It's working well. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be reviewing the MyBot Island Recreational Indoor.